What's up, YouTube? This is your boy Richie Rich Mo, back at it again with another video. Right now I'm at a car meet, and I'm in a car meet in Mexico. The cops just came. I came super late after work. The homie T told me to come through. I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the cars, and then hopefully you guys like what you see. I think the cops are here already, so they're acting up right now. So
Take a picture, tag me. Yeah, dude, that's crazy. Hey, what speakers?
They're Rockford Fosgate P3s. I had to run them upside down because they're too big to fit inside.
Yeah, I was just thinking. I was just looking at that. Yeah.
the homie T.
He invested so much shit in this.
Yeah, I just put it all back in today because I have to do some more body work, and I'm waiting on some like vinyl and stuff still. So I was like fuck it, I'll put it back in and show it off.
You need 2 people just for
Ian's car is so clean.
I see it everywhere.
He lives in Berlin.
Yeah, I know. I see him everywhere, like by my house and stuff. I'm gonna get my car moved down here, just in case. The cops came and shut it down, so we all leaving out the garage. Hey, homie Tyler. They set off the alarms. It was hella funny. Holy shit. They did a burnout. Damn, poor car. Hella lit. Holy shit, they did a burnout. Now the smoke detectors are going crazy. Y'all can't see, but it's hella smoky. It's lit. I think they want to show. So we moved out the garage, which is right there. Now we over here in the parking lot. There's cops over there. And then we got fucking car meet of cops right there, and yeah, just people just chilling and having fun with their cars and stuff. But yeah, came here straight after work, literally. So, yeah, the homie shit looking super nice, crispy white pearl swag.
Yeah.
Check out those wheels on bags.
On bags.
Yes.
Bag
They got a
riders.
little. Okay. SLT. Aston Martin. Okay. Oh, that's dude from that's Bam's, the leader.
Oh, okay.
Nice Aston Martin right there.
Post up.
Imports, GTR. GTRs. I love this color. This is fucking phenomenal. Nice Hello Kitty. God damn. Sick. That's a sick ass color. I like it. GTRs again. Let's see one more time. Damn. Super sick. Oh fuck. Check that out. Nice imports. Both right hand drives. This is like an import meat. They got check it out. My partner parked right in the same facility, and they all the same fucking cars, and they all fucking pearl white besides that car. But the fuck, dope. But the cops blocked out the entrance, so my ass is going that way. But there's so many people here in the parking lot. Nice carbon fiber. I like this color, whatever color this is. It's nice. Wide body. I love wide bodies.
Next to the other wide body.
Oh, wide body on wide body. Hell yeah. You good though. You good.
It's funny that they're basically the same car, but that one stands out way more because the fucking rad.
Right,
That's it.
right. The rad, that color.
Oh, see the headlights? That's what I'm about to do.
This car sounds like it's gonna break apart any minute. Shit. I was about to bring my homie with the GTR, but he had his car in the shop getting he getting something installed.
Oh, okay.
I was like, let's see. Don't act like a Mustang.
That's glitter.
I know. I was looking at that. He went to the. He was at the mall.
Oh, okay.
When y'all was talking. I wish it was like a little more doper car.
Yeah.
I could get on camera, but that amazing. Damn, he is literally scraping the ground. Damn. The Mustang game. This car that's about to break apart any second. Wait, what the hell? This shit is loud. I'm impressed with the way it looks. That's crazy.
Look at this fucking. Look at this Magnum right here. I love Magnums. That Dodge over there. Yellow.
Oh shit. Oh yeah, that was at the damn me too.
Oh, that's
Yeah, I was parked hella far back though.
I love like anything like wagon.
Yeah.
Fucking battery.
Oh, GTR? GTR right there. There's GTR right there. GTR. Holy shit. The Wide Body Brothers. Driving with the homie Tyler, going back home. super duper tired, and his fucking Infinity is fucking sexy as shit. The homie has did a great job with his build on back.